Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add or edit your About section on LinkedIn using your iPhone. If you are writing one for the first time, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First of all, find the LinkedIn app on your home screen. Now click on it. Once you are in the app, tap on your profile picture or your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on to the name of your profile. Here you can find the Add section option. Simply click on it. Here you can find the Add About on the core section. Now simply tap on it. Now to edit it, you can write a short and professional summary of who you are, what you do, and what you are passionate about. Once you are happy with your About section, tap onto the Save button. And boom, your profile is updated. Quick bonus tip, make sure your About section is clear, concise and highlights your skills or career goals. Use a friendly yet professional tone and don't forget to mention any key achievement on your profile. And that's it, you have just added or updated your About section on LinkedIn using your iPhone. It's super easy, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.